Volksvision, welcome back to another video, and today I guess you can see what's going on behind me. That's right, it's finally here, the MK2 Jetta. It's right underneath this guy here, and finally we'll be able to do an unveil and I'll be able to get to show you the car. Finally, it's taken quite some time. So yeah, you ready for this? All right, I'm gonna take this bad boy off. I'm gonna give you a countdown. 3, 2, 1. There we go, the MK2 Jetta with its beautiful red and its beautiful colors. This car right here is the future of Volksvision. I cannot wait till this car is up and running. Let's get this bit off. But yeah, here it is, the MK2 Jetta. It's finally here. It's finally done. Not done. It's not done at all. There was a few cosmetic things that I had to do. So yeah, like the trunk latch wasn't working very well, so I kind of fixed that temporarily. I'll get to all of this stuff that I have in the trunk in a minute. Holy crap, that's hot. It's like 90 degrees right now in Florida. The heat index is like basically 100 degrees. It's like 104. Sorry if the audio quality is bad. It is very windy right now. And yeah, so here it is. Finally, once and for all, it's finally here. Let's open it up. All right, now, here it is. So I did some cleaning up in here. We have the dashboard. It's actually in pretty good condition. I mean, there are some cracks, but everything else is in pretty good. This is all like the engine wiring. That's supposed to be out in the engine bay. But right now it's in because there is an engine and we don't want to like have the electronics all ruined because that's a huge price. And then yeah, so I vacuumed up in here a little bit, got it a little bit looking nice, I guess. If you look at the top here, we got some mold. This literally comes apart like it's all dusty. And then we have like the sunroof here. I'm gonna take this, whatever this is, off because that's just hideous. But yeah, I have to, like, the headliner's falling apart here, and like there's a bunch of other stuff. This door I cannot get open. I don't know what it is, but I cannot get it open. And
open the door. Open the door.
now, as for this door, I can't get it open, like, and I looked on the inside of the door because being that those
you could do so
the plastic bit or whatever's supposed to go over this is not there. Yeah, so I tried to look in there, and I think I just need to go in through the door seal and just like use a screwdriver and just open it up from there. But yeah, that will be in the next coming video. Right now I'm just doing a walk through the car and yeah, and tell you my plans with it. But yeah, I did some cosmetic things. This was the badge that I got from MK2 Pick Your Part down in Seminole, Florida, and or it was Clearwater, one of the two. I don't really remember. I don't really care. And yeah. Oh, did it? Oh. Okay. Well, the clip just fell out. You can kind of see it. I used a little clip thing to hold because there's like this little bit that like goes into the latch. So, but speaking of latches, like with the small little cosmetic things here, let me just open the engine bay for you guys. and I got to, I'm on the weird side, so hold on. So we're gonna open it up. We're gonna do this with one hand. Gonna just plug it in right there. All right, cool. All right. So as for like cosmetic stuff, I put in my brake booster and I got it all attached to the brake pedal. And I got that bracket in there. Those are the only two things I've done, as in like installing things. So I got the hood cable all connected, right? So it runs inside the car. It all works. But the problem is that this guy, you can see like the bushings and like the plastic bits are gone. So it wiggles, and it's supposed to clip into like this bit right here so it can open, but it's, again, like it's worn out and it's old. So I mean, this car is like 40 years old, so I can't really expect too much. But yeah, as you can see, there is a lot of rust across the car. I'm not really actually too worried about it. The only rust I'm really worried about is like the floor pans. And let's look at them again. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so even the front of the, like, you can kind of see, I'm sitting on it. Oh, and the trim is on it. Okay. But yeah, even under the carpet here, the floor pans are rusting. So I'm gonna have to replace both sections. Here, both rear parts and the front parts. Because yeah. And then I want to remove this. Now, as for the like engine and stuff, let's go squeeze by here. Gotta watch my head. Yeah, the Jesus, I just hit my head on this. The van, the Trustol Toyota Sienna, is getting its axles fixed at the moment, so thank God. But at the moment, the engine is currently holding stuff. Haven't really been able to do anything with it. And as for like the pistons and stuff here, like I didn't get main bearings, so like there's not much I can do until then. But yeah, so it's finally here. The Mark II Jetta is finally here, guys, and I'm so stoked about the possibility of getting this thing running. And I'm so close. Like, I will hopefully be getting a job here, because I'm 19 and my mom wanted me to finish up my college and before I get a job, because she didn't want me worrying about that. But that's fine. So I'm gonna get a job here shortly, and once I get that job, I can start paying for things that need to be paid for. Because I still need the CIS fuel injection system. I need most of the interior parts. I need a lot of stuff, and I don't have the funds at the moment for it. So yeah, so if you guys like what you're watching right now, don't forget to like and subscribe. That would mean a lot. It helps out the channel. Right now we're at 52 subscribers. That's not a lot, but we can get more, definitely. But here it is, the Flintstone Mobile. I call it that because of the holes on the inside of the floor, but yeah, the Flintstone Mobile. Here it is. As you can see, also, I have all the lug nuts. I just have to put them on. But yeah, it's not being held in all the way by all just lug nuts. If we walk over here, like, we're missing a lug there, and we're missing two here. So yeah, we just gotta get it fixed. I also I replaced this door handle, and I put the chrome trim on. I'm just keeping the blue on, the protecting plastic, whatever, on there for now. I have to replace this door handle and possibly the actuator, so I'm not like changing anything out here, but I will eventually. All right, so I know there's weird cuts right now, but that's just because my phone kept overheating. But I'm gonna be quick, snappy with this outro. thank you so much for watching today's episode of Volksvision. Yeah, I can't wait till this car is up and running again. And yeah, if you want anything done to the car that you think I should do, please comment that down below, as well as parts. Let me know where I can get some good parts. I like Heritage Parts, Rock Auto, like Euro Tuning, stuff like that. Like, I know those websites, but maybe somebody has something that's better, you know what I mean? So let me know down below what you have, what you think I should do. This is my first project car, so thank you so much for watching today's episode of Volksvision, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.